Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to another practical video of SEO tutorials. Now for those who don't know me, my name is YZ, founder of Dejecto.com. I'm very excited to be here because in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 3 powerful tips to improve ranking of your website quickly in Google search results step by step. And I promise you, these points actually work. Well, if you're looking to enhance your SEO traffic and want to get increased CTR, I suggest you watch this video. And also, if you're new here watching my videos, make sure to click subscribe and turn on notification. So stay tuned, we're gonna come back soon. Alright guys, so before we get started, I gotta tell you, if you have any kind of errors in your search console, you better fix them first. Step 1. Make sure that loading time of your pages is very fast. The right speed for a website in 2020 is less than 3 seconds because your page loading time is an important factor for Google and audience. Let me give you an example. 7 years ago, you could possibly see a website with a very slow loading page, although it was on top of search results in Google. But right now, this is an issue because the competition is high, users are in a rush, and Google doesn't like it either. So the first question that might come to your mind is that how to improve the page speed on my website. First of all, you should check your web page speed on gtmetrix.com or page speed Google test. The 2 web analyzers which are able to detect all types of errors in your website. Thus, you can fix them up. Usually the most common errors are related to images. To make an optimization for your photo, you should use the Adobe Photoshop in order to resize the photo according to your web page. And then the best option is to compress the images by uploading them over compressedjpg.com. There you are, you're going to go upload your photo without any trouble. And also, if you're using the WordPress CMS, you can easily install an auto optimization plugin for optimizing website. I put the link for you in the description below. Step 2. Develop and improve UX for the mobile devices. Since the use of mobile data increased in 2015, Google has been constantly reviewing the website in mobile mode. Right now in 2020, more than 70% of all searches in Google are now performed from the mobile devices all around the world. Now we can understand the importance of mobile data for Google. First of all, you must check in mobile status and go to the mobile usability in your search console, or you can also use a Google mobile friendly test to get tips on how your mobile experience could be improved. Let me give you an example. In one of my SEO projects with the high daily traffic, I took time to analyze the mobile traffic over Google Analytics, and I found that most of my web page visits were from a mobile device, and that was a Samsung J70 2016. Yes, it is so interesting. I immediately went to my website and checked if my pages were compatible with the resolution of that model of the phone. I learned that there were a number of problems with the responsiveness of the page over that phone. I tried to resolve the problems at once, and that caused my ranking to improve. So what to consider when you're designing for mobile screen? A mobile responsive website includes design elements such as readable text without requiring zoom, adequate space for tab target, no horizontal scrolling. In addition, I'd like to tell you 2 amazing tips. First, go to the freepik.com or uplabs.com and choose a PSC, and then use the Elmentor for professional design of mobile and desktop screen. Step 3. Use the structured data to be recognized by Google in a better way. I think most users in the future will be able to get all the necessary information from these features without even clicking on any website. So before I explain how the structured data helps a website ranking, I'd like to tell you what the structured data exactly is and how it works. The structured data is actually a code in a specific format, in this case schema.org, written in such a way that search engine can understand it. Search engine read the code and use it to display search results in a specific and much richer way. You can easily put this piece of code on your website. Pay attention guys, structured data is not a ranking factor, but it makes your website to be seen more in search results and eventually increase CTR. Yeah, isn't that incredible? Let me give you an example guys. Imagine a website that have a FAQ schema and podcast and review snippets, okay? So these features can make your website to be seen more frequently over the web. What do you think about it? The first question that might come to your mind is that how to show these features in search result. You can easily go to the developers.google.com and you will see all the structured data. For example, the most famous of them include FAQ or review snippets or local business or whatever. They are really cool. I hope you found this learning program helpful, and please stay tuned for the future learning episode of Digecto.com. Good luck.